How to delete watch history on X Twitter app. First things first is pull up or access your X Twitter. Make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, watch history is like when you press on this magnifying button right here and then you search for um, any information you want to search, say for example NBA. Now, if you search for NBA and then you go back, once you click or once you press on the search box right here, there's everything. Now, this is gonna be your watch history. Now, any informations you're searching or while using that search box right there will prompt up your search history right there. So, how do you delete that? All I have to do is just to tap on the X icon right here and then just press on clear. Now, once you press on clear, everything on your watch history will be deleted. So that's how easy you delete watch history on your X Twitter app.